How you doing? It's Brad Stinson, the Mortgage Marine, and I have a huge announcement to make today. I'm here with the newest teammate, Melissa.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm awesome.
So, Melissa, your story is pretty unique, and I want you to share just a brief rundown of your history and how we got here, and somehow I tie in.
Okay, I'm Melissa. I was born and raised in Michigan, and for a portion of my life, I was a loan officer myself, and then I decided to take time off from that to raise my 5 children.
5.
All of them mine. And,
Do you think?
Sometimes, yeah, it could have been a mix-up. Like, what's one more? You get to a certain point.
And kudos to you for not having any gray hair
Oh, thanks.
yet.
I hope.
Wait till she starts working with me.
And how I got involved in the veteran community is my brother was in the Marine Corps for about 4 years.
And he was a Marine. That's very rare to say. It's sad to say.
He was in the push into Fallejah, and unfortunately, he lost his life on November 17th, 2004.
Which is Operation Phantom Fury, second battle of Fallujah.
Correct.
So the Marines went back in and took the town back over.
Yes.
True hero.
And because of that situation, I met a lot of people who I now consider family. When faced with that difficult time in my life, I could have either basically shut myself down completely and the whole world could have went away for all I cared. But instead, I threw myself into the veteran community because all of the people that knew my brother reached out to me, and I embraced them all as family. And so everyone in the veteran community now, after 15 years, those are my people.
Yeah, it was very weird. You started yesterday.
Correct.
And what happened yesterday?
You asked me what unit my brother served with,
Yeah.
and I told you he was with 3-1 Lima Company.
And my ears perked up because my last deployment we're augmented with 3-1 Marines. I was like, I wonder if one of the Marines that I still talk to knows your brother.
Right. And then awesomely, he texted you back, and then we ended up all on the phone.
Yeah, he was across the street when your brother was killed.
Correct.
Sadly.
And he was super excited and was telling stories about my brother that I maybe hadn't heard before, which was pretty sweet.
Yeah, you're almost a conduit for them to heal.
Yes.
And one of the things that he said on the phone, he's like, can I come out and visit his grave? I've been trying to find his grave. I want to say my final goodbyes. Like, dude, hell yeah, man.
Exactly. And now I have another person in my family that I'm excited about.
So that's kind of your why. You are living to honor your brother.
Correct.
You're here in his stead. He cannot be here, so you're going to take his place.
Always. I always want to make sure that he's remembered, and because I put myself out there into the veteran community, it gives me a reason to talk about him and a reason to help the people that I consider family.
So by you doing this, his memory's still alive.
Correct.
Yeah, and that's awesome. So you're a huge asset to the team. I cannot wait to get you up to speed. I know it's been a few years since you've been out of the LO world or the real estate world. A lot has changed, but nothing's changed to the point where it affects our mission. Veteran home ownership, right? Advocating for veterans, making sure that they have people on their side who truly have their back.
Right.
Right. So, huge announcement. She's joining the team. Huge asset. Stand by to get some. Right? 7 for 5.
I'm super excited.
Let's get after it.